Intro it up.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to our Road Less Traveled. Today we are going on our first ever kayaking excursion.
To see sea cows.
Yeah, we're gonna go see some manatees. What's about to go down?
We're about to get in these contraptions and get out in that big water hole.
We'll go see if we can see a manatee.
I already saw two.
I saw one yesterday, so.
I saw one on the dock. It was a mama and a little baby.
Oh. What are your thoughts on going on your first ever kayaking excursion?
What do I think?
Yeah.
I think one of us is gonna fall out of it.
No, don't say that. That is not gonna happen.
I don't know. I don't know what to. I have no clue. I mean, it seems like there's a lot of people out here that are looking for these things.
A lot of people.
So I don't know if we're just gonna paddle in this little area.
I don't know where we're going actually. We're going on a 3-hour tour.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
We have a guide.
30 minutes to an hour, I'm good.
Well, you better tell him before we go out because they said it was 2.5 hours.
No, not for me it ain't. I'm paddling around like a duck for 2.5 hours.
All right, well, we shall see.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and the scars don't hurt.
Which side?
Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. I'll never let you slip away.
Graceful.
To be afraid, I will hold you till the
Let's see what we can find.
Okay.
I'm yours until the end of time. Until the end of time.
You have as much water as I did in mine. What happened?
I'm smoking.
Till the stars fade away and your scars don't say my name, stay with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Your scars don't hurt.
There you go. Warm up them buns.
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Scotty and this is Lena. We own and operate Water's Edge Adventures in Crystal River, Florida. We service Kings Bay and the Hunter Springs area as well as Three Sisters. And we also run tours in Rainbow River, in Denellen, and Silver Springs in Ocala. We're very passionate about this business. We're just a small family-owned company, so we just like to provide privately guided tours to the public. We don't do any of these big box tours where you have to go with another family. So we like to have it a little bit more intimate and cater to whatever you guys want to do. So we like to pride ourselves on being a small company.
We provide clear kayaks and paddle boards, also tandem kayaks, and we do guided tours with Captain Scotty and rentals. My favorite place to go is Rainbow River because the water is crystal clear. There's great snorkeling that you can do and free dive practice. And what's your favorite place?
My favorite place is right here in Crystal River because, as you can see behind us, we got our manatee friends, and they are why we came. Yep. Yeah, it is a mom and baby, and we really started doing this because we're really into conservation and education. So the biggest thing is to be able to give back to wherever we're working and wherever we live. So this all started by us doing beach and river cleanups in Ormond Beach, Florida, and it blossomed into this business. So we are definitely going to be doing river cleanups in the area. I think our first one is going to be whatever weekend falls on right after July 4th is when we're going to host our first one here. But it's a good way to educate people and to just give back to the community in some sort of way. And you know, these guys really need our protection.
They do. As
you can see, these guys are pretty clean looking, but a lot of the manatees that you see come in here are very scarred up from the boat traffic because we are basically their biggest threat. So just teaching people to obey slow zones and to really think about what they're doing when they're on the water is very important to us. So whatever we can do to give back. And,
I was thinking your shirt's so appropriate.
I know, right? I got this in the Everglades, and we're just big supporters of the environment, and we just want to give back any way we can. So
yes,
that's our mission, and
that's what it's all
our
about.
other mission is to work for ourselves and work on the water doing what we love.
Yep.
And yeah, that's about it.
Seems like you're living the dream.
We sure
we are definitely living the dream, and you know what? We're not taking no for an answer, and no matter how long it takes to become what we want to be, that's what we're gonna do. So this summer we're gonna start doing scallop tours and fishing charters as well.
Yeah.
And
it's fun. Scalloping.
The sky is the limit. So if you're in the area in Crystal River or in Northwest Florida, come see us at Water's Edge Adventures, and we'll be happy to take you out and show you guys what we love so much about Florida.
Thanks for visiting.
Yeah. See you at the Water's Edge.
Yes.